Sound dramatic.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, ready when you are. Your time starts.
True or false, the Doctor once got engaged to Marilyn Monroe?
True.
Correct. What character ran into the TARDIS on the Wimbledon Common to report an accident?
Dodo?
Correct. How many years between the third Doctor's 2 visits to the planet Peladon?
20.
Incorrect. What country has a town called Mercy?
America.
Correct. What is the Statue of Liberty in The Angels Take Manhattan?
It's a weeping angel.
Correct. True or false, Blue Peter presenter Peter Purves was once a Doctor Who companion?
Correct.
Which Doctor is forced to live in exile on Earth for a few years?
Third.
In what 10th Doctor story do we last see Rose Tyler?
Last see her, that would be... when's she make her last appearance? End of Time Part 2.
Correct. Yeah. What story takes place in an underground bunker in Utah in 2012?
Dalek.
Correct. What is the planet Ravalox better known as?
Earth.
Correct. Who merges with a Dalek sect to create a hybrid creature?
What's his name? Pass.
True or false, Terry Nation created the Cybermen?
False.
Who is the first Doctor to work with units?
Second.
Correct. In what story do we first meet Captain Jack Harkness?
Empty Child.
Correct. What story takes place in Cardiff, 1869?
Young Quiet Dead.
Correct. Where is the home world of the Pyroviles?
Pyrovilia.
Correct. What creatures can be found deep beneath New York?
Cat nuns.
Incorrect.
Oh.
True or false, Matt Smith is Tom Baker's nephew?
False.
Correct. Which Doctor likes the word fantastic?
Ninth.
Correct. Which companion is killed on an exploding spaceship?
Adric.
Correct. What year do Cybermen from Mondas in Nigeria? Okay.
Oh, 18 steps.
Not bad.
Ooh.
Not bad.
2 minutes.
He doesn't need clues. All right. 3,
He answers them like
2, 1. What year do the Cybermen from Mondas invade the South Pole?
1986.
Correct. Where do the Ice Warriors come from?
Mars.
Correct. What colour is Banacafalata?
Red.
Correct. True or false, the first story to have no regular cast members in it was called Mission to the Unknown?
True.
Correct. How many hearts does the Doctor have?
2.
Correct. What is the name of Donna's first full Doctor Who story?
The One-Way Bride.
Correct. What year did David Tennant first appear in Doctor Who?
2005.
Correct. On what planet did the Doctor first meet Alpha Centauri?
Oh. Peladon?
Correct. What is Florence Finnegan?
It sounds familiar. Petriful.
Correct. True or false, Victoria Wood makes a cameo appearance in Midnight?
False.
Correct. Which Doctor did Rose Tyler see regenerating?
D9.
Correct. Who used to live on Hillview Road in Croydon?
Jodie Smith.
Correct. What is the title of the story that opened the series in 2006?
New Earth.
Correct. What planet does the Doctor visit in The Doctor's Daughter?
Pass.
Mesalane.
Ah.
What are the ghosts in Army of Ghosts?
Cyberman.
Correct. True or false, the Doctor set up UNIT in the 1970s?
False.
Correct. Which Doctor do we meet for the first time after a time war?
9.
Correct. What is the name of Martha Jones's mum?
No.
What is the title of the story that opened the series in 2008?
Partners in Crime.
Correct. What is the name of the Cybermen's original planet?
Mondas.
Correct.
Mondas went blank.
Yeah.
You'll never beat him. I think I'm one of the closest.
Only about 9 seconds remaining though. 2 more sets could have done me.